Hey y'all, welcome to Pink Pizzazz Boutique. We're going to be doing a Dallas Cowboy mask and it's already cut out. So you need two pieces to do that. So you cut that out and then you turn them so the outside will face the inside so you can sew down that seam. Okay? And then you have your piece that's going to be in the inside. When they wear the mask, you cut two pieces of that and you sew those. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get started. So after we sew those two pieces together, we're going to turn them inside out and then sew our straps on and iron it up and then do our top stitch. Okay, so I've ironed it up. Now we will add our straps on the side, and then after we add our straps, we will do a top stitch on the top and the bottom. So you'll insert your straps on both sides like that, and then you're gonna sew that down. See, insert and then sew that down, and then you'll do the other side as well. And then you'll sew that down. And you always back stitch to lock in your stitch. And I usually do it twice, so I have two stitches there. So I'm gonna do that again. Sew across, back stitch, go all the way down, back stitch, finish it up, and then we'll cut our thread and do the other side. Okay, you see? So now we'll cut all our threads, all that string, and then we'll do the other side, okay? And the same thing for the other side. We'll add our adjustable straps, insert them in, move the string out the way, we'll insert it in, kind of like pinch it so you can hold it in place, and then you're gonna sew it down. And start sewing. Remember to back stitch and then sew all the way. And like I said, I do that twice, so it'll be two seams going down. So you're gonna do that again, okay? And now that we did that, we'll cut all our strings, and then we just have to do a top stitch on the top and the bottom. So a top stitch there and a top stitch there. And then we'll be done with our mask. Okay, and we are done with our mask. That is it. So yeah, easy, quick, and simple. So thanks for watching. And there go our adjustable straps. Yes. Okay, so thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.